It is so incredible to see how many startups emerge in this ecosystem at Parul University.
But today what I saw in the university is quite mind-blowing, especially because of the fact that the youth of Gujarat have come together to make a social impact.
Where we really try to bring affordable innovation to those that desperately need it. It is to solve grand challenges of our society, and affordable innovation is the way to go there. With the hub that we now installed, we would like to incubate, accelerate and foster affordable innovation projects. And this is the next step in our collaboration.